So yesterday we did a, this is a little high. There we go. Yesterday we did a review on a Kemimoto dash cell phone thing for a side-by-side. And part one was here. Part one was here. Part two was away, where we actually took it and installed it on a side-by-side, and we took it out for the day riding. This part of the video filmed the same part as the first part of that video, and we're going out to install this on his side-by-side and test it on the same day. Does it make sense? Does it make sense what I'm telling you? Those two pieces filmed together and those two pieces filmed together, put into two different videos. I don't know, maybe it makes sense, maybe it doesn't. Anyways, this is the Kemimoto LED UTV center mirror with light compatible, which is light compatible, with the 2017 to 2023 Cam-Man Maverick Trail, Sport Max, etc., etc., etc. About 50, let's say $60 US. If you're buying it in Canada, there's conversion and shipping fees coming here. But, you know, it looks like a cool, because it has a light, looks like it should be cool. I like the fact that theirs is deeper, you know, versus just elongated. I do like that. Easy to use, easy to be installed, and it stops vibrations. I think it's ball mounted, which is kind of cool. Will not affect the use of existing accessories. All kinds of awesomeness. So, 3.5 stars. Well, we'll see. We'll see. We're gonna mount it. We're gonna mount it on my buddy's. He has a Maverick Trail, I believe it is. So we're gonna take there, try to install it. But before we do that, let's take a look at what comes in the box. So this is the box. This is it. This is, I guess I got it. Oh, don't open it that way. Like that, maybe. Okay. So I remember getting this and I was like, well, I don't even know what this is, because I was trying to figure out how's this going to fit on any of my stuff, and it doesn't. So luckily it fits on his stuff. So that is excellent. Why is that focusing over there? Focus on me. Do it. There you go. There you go. Anyways, this is what comes in the box. Again, I don't necessarily know if this is kind of the box that you'd get, but it's definitely the box that I got. You get the mirror. Right, there it is. It does mirror stuff. It is big, like it definitely is. Like if you look at my hand, right, it's a good size. That's a good size mirror. Hello there, my friend. Yeah, that's me. And of course, there's that little ball mount that's squeaky. There's the LED light that's right there, and this, I guess, you would wire into your wiring. So hopefully, the person that I'm meeting up with knows how to do that, because I don't. Nope, I do not. I'm hoping for the best. Hoping for the best. This is all your cabling. So I guess this is all going to go to the battery. This part, in my opinion, is probably going to be the, I don't want to say the hardest part, but the part that takes the longest, because of the fact that you have to wire this to your battery, you know, to make sure it's getting power for the light. Now, if you don't care about the light and you just need a mirror replacement, then that would be okay, but we're doing it with the light. We're doing it with the light. And then this here is the actual, as far as I know, the physical mount for it, right? So that's going to mount probably into the crossbar, and then you can tighten it and get it all adjusted, and we should be good. We should be good. So not a lot of accessories, not too much. Doesn't, you know, it comes with everything I would think it would need. Nothing else in here. Nope. All right, that's painless. As far as I can tell, should be painless. Nice, easy box. Again, a little beat up, but I don't blame that on anybody except the Postal Service. Let's go continue this video out in the country or parking lot or wherever I'm meeting this fella to install this, and we're gonna go 4x4 and side-by-side and UTV and ATV, all of it, and we'll let you know what we think. All right, stay tuned. All right, so we are putting the mirror also today. You guys are seeing this as two different videos, but it's one day, and we got the Kemimoto mirror going on this. Yeah, that's pretty badass. Yeah, it's got light on the bottom of it. Yeah, it's pretty slick. So we're gonna again mount it and see how it works.
They usually mount nice and easy, so let's do that.
Too many things in my hand.
Fair.
Start fresh. There we go. Pull. They give you extra bolts too.
I know.
Must be in case you're like me and drop it on the floor.
That's exactly why.
Once I get it out of the mess here. Yeah, plenty of cable. A lot of cable. Almost too much cable.
Is that a thing? Too much cable?
Well, I guess it depends what kind of machine you have. Yeah.
I guess. Better to have too much than not enough, though.
Yeah. Yeah, because they give you lots from where your relay and your fuse is for your power. And then this is the one that we ran to the mirror there. So yeah, this got excessive amount.
Nice.
Which is definitely a good thing. It won't fit in there, will it? No, it won't fit in there. Cut it and fix it.
All right, we'll be back when this is installed. You don't need to hang around for this long amount of time.
Positive wire, negative wire. Should be on. It's not on.
Is there a switch or anything?
I got the switch here.
Oh.
Oh, that's why, duh. Not on because I didn't connect it.
What do you mean it has to be connected to the...
It's not Bluetooth. I can't imagine that. Not Bluetooth. Skip the one important step.
Actually connecting the mirror?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who would have known?
Weird.
There. Now let's try this again.
Oh, look, we have light. We had light. There it is.
There it is.
Sweet.
Off. On.
On.
That'd be nice at night.
Right? Just a nice little glow.
Yep.
Light up your dash.
I'll send a picture of it later at night.
Sweet. Cool. So the mirror's good?
I just need to tighten it up a little more because I didn't tighten it up enough, I guess. So
yeah,
but that's not a big deal.
Now,
so that's really good.
We probably want to put some like dampeners.
Definitely some sort of dampener, or a little piece of rubber, just to aid it a little bit more.
Right, just
a lot of vibrations out of a machine.
Right, but other than that,
it's the view is awesome. Like you see so much behind you with this.
Yeah,
like there is a lot behind, and the mirror I had before I thought was great. No, this one's like 10 times better for view.
Yeah, it's big.
You can actually see what's behind me instead of just, oh, there's kind of something there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really, really good.
Nice. Now you just gotta wire it up permanently.
Yeah, well, that's not a big deal.
Nice. All right,
cool.
There you go. Check out the links below, and we'll see you guys next video. Later.